Okay, so in another video, I just did a raw 20-minute video of me showing you how to build a high converting landing page. But this one, I'm just gonna tell you exactly what makes it high converting. So if you want to watch the video where I actually build it live, find it somewhere in my videos. And you can do it using free software. We use MailerLite in this for a client who's just starting their email list. But the biggest mistake that I see with people is they create a page that doesn't convert, right? That's not going into, it needs to be a very, very impactful lead magnet that somebody's going to be compelled to opt in for. But even the best lead magnet, VSL, VLM, whatever you are giving away, if the page isn't set up in a specific way, then it's not going to convert opt-ins, okay? And the biggest mistake is stuff. Too much stuff. So I'm going to show you two here. So the one that I built live was this, okay? And I've just built the template for him, for my client, and he's going to write his emails. Once he's finished the last edit of his video lead magnet, we can extract the headline, the big promise, and then the subheadline and all the stuff that goes into the page. And we've done the same here for this guy Nick, he's got 6 barbershops, and he helps other people who are struggling to create the life that they want with a profitable shop and not working 40 to 80 hours a week on the shop floor. So you'll see that with both of these there isn't much to the page. Okay, we've got the promise, the headline, we've got a subheader, we've got the screenshot of the video. That's important, it's not the video, it's a screenshot of the video. To get to the video they need to opt in. We've got a paragraph here, explains why this specific person, i.e. their ideal client, should watch this video. Okay, doesn't need to go into reams and reams of content, especially when you look at it on a mobile. It doesn't look great. Most people are on mobiles these days. So let's see if we can just shrink this and make it look like it does on a mobile. Sort of. You can change the preview when you are logged in, but in fact I can do it here. There we go. Okay, so we don't want reams and reams of content here. We want literally the headline. Okay, you're going to get from watching this video a step-by-step plan to grow a more profitable barbershop. That's what his ideal client wants. Okay, stop guessing, start growing. The proven roadmap for barbershop owners who want more revenue and less stress, and a business that finally works for them starting today. There's the screenshot of showing them what they're going to get. All right, there's the screenshot to the video. Some softwares you can make it so that when you click on that, it pops up and they have to fill out the form there. With the free version of MailerLite, it doesn't. And then just a short explanation of who this person's for, why they should watch this video, and then 3 to 6 bullet points, and the bullet points need to be specific benefits, not features. Not you're going to get this PDF and you're going to get this and you're going to get. It's what are they going to actually benefit from? What are they going to take away? What are they going to feel? What are they going to be able to action? What results are they going to be able to get and implement from this freebie? Okay, and then you tell them what to do. All right, and then you offer the form. So that's it. Okay, we don't want your social media buttons at the bottom. We don't want any headers with links. We don't want any other option for people other than filling out the form and getting the freebie or buggering off. That's it. All right, and that's one of the biggest mistakes that I see with people is they put reams and reams of stuff, and they put stuff about them and about their program and about, no, we don't even want to talk about your program in this. We don't want to talk about your products, your coaching, whatever it is. We literally, the only job for this page is to tell them, hey, watch this or download this, depending on what your freebie is, and this is what I promise you will get. This is who it's for, and a bit more context. Screenshot of the video or a screenshot of the download, the guide or whatever it is you're going to give them. Short paragraph, again, just calling the person out and tickling the problem, and then 3 to 6 amazing benefits, and a call to action, a form, and a button, and that's it. Okay, so don't stuff it with too much stuff. Now, if you want to see how this full lead magnet system works, okay, it's a simple 2-page funnel. All right, it's an opt-in page, it's a thank you / delivery page, it's a series of emails off the back of it that follow a specific framework that do specific things on each email. I walk through the whole thing. You'll find a link below where you can go and watch the video, and you could literally steal the system and just go and get MailerLite and set it up if you want. But go and watch it. If you're not already using email marketing, this is where you need to start. All funnels start with a simple opt-in funnel, okay? And get this, and your life just becomes a lot easier when it comes to lead generation, which more leads equals more people to make offers to equals more sales.